Right, Bachman Somerset and Dorset Joint Railway 2807F in the station, along with Helgin Class 47 as preserved on the East Lancs Railway. Motivating around the track is a Hornby Railroad Class 40 diesel, very economical price, not bad, acceptable, better than most of the railroad range. Diesel certainly better, a good deal better than the bloody awful 33. On the inside, of course, we have the Class 20 Bachman. These are all analog. Sadly, the BR Green one, which is the one I really wanted, you can only buy with sound, which is a bit silly, I think, and a bit thoughtless. But there you are, there's the blue one. Beautiful, very economically priced, and well worth it. Very powerful engine, beautiful engine. I haven't put the detail on, but nonetheless a beautiful engine. Track is a continuous run on a basic 8x4 board. Most of the track is from other remains from other layouts I've done. I don't really approve of people who call these tracks tail chasing. You could call end-to-end walking the Lincoln Plank, if you want to be silly like that. I think the majority of people do have this sort of circuit, and this is a typical size for a small house. So, I think people like that need to shut up and start encouraging the hobby instead of frightening people away. So there you are. Class 40 Railroad, Class 20 Bachman, Class 47 Elgin, 7F Bachman.